Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Tailswift 7.8 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Tailswift official website, it is tails.net and download. Click on install Tails. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.8. Scroll down, click on burning a Tails DVD, then click on download Tails 7.8 ISO image. See, download started, go to download. See here its size is about 1.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here it is downloaded because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name Tails. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is a default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, once we selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Debian, and OS version as Debian 64-bit. Don't select this, proceed with unlimited installation. Then click on next. Now we have to provide the base memory, number of CPUs and virtual hard disk size. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify none of these settings, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click, then select settings or just select it and click on settings or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.8, and hit enter. Welcome to Tails. See, these are the default values set for this language and formats. If you want to modify any one of them, just you need to click on them and search. Okay, I'm okay with these three defaults. Then if you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on. If you don't want, turn off. Then additional settings, click on this plus button. See, these are the default values set for these four options. All are on except this administration is off. Click on it and set the password for administration. Remember this password, later we need this password. Then click on add. Remaining options I am going with the defaults. Then click on start Tails. Now tar connection, connect to tar automatically, or then click on disconnect to tar. Now open terminal. Now open terminal or console. See, in the background connected to tar successfully. Click on start tar browser. See, you have successfully connected to tar. Now go to help about tar browser. See, latest version is 15.0.14. Now go to terminal, increase the font size. Now verify the version mod / etc os-release. See, we have installed 7.8 and its ID is like Debian. That's why you have selected Debian at the time of creating virtual machine. The first step after connecting to Debian Linux is, the first step after connecting to Tailswift is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter, then provide the password of the administration. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailswift 7.8 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.